Hey, Tim here. I've been riding bikes for quite a while, and I just got a couple of electric motorcycles and riding e-bikes and bikes for many years, and always wondered about the security. So my question is, would you like to go from this to this? Stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to make a bike lock that weighs 0.8 ounces, doesn't cost much, and is virtually uncuttable. So thanks for listening. Okay, here's a standard tin snip. It just fouls it up. Let's see if we get it in here. Get it in here a little more. Will it cut? It does not want to cut. Will it cut at the end? It does not cut. This is a very high quality scissors made by Milwaukee. It does not. It tends to foul it up. So I used the sharper part of the blade and it still would not cut. The New York Forget About It lock is incredibly heavy. They're about 15 pounds. This is one of the lighter ones at 4 pounds. So how did I make this? Well, I found this cut-proof fabric on Etsy, and it was somewhere around 5 feet long. Came in and I used a hot knife, hot wire cutter, and then I cut a ribbon of it about 5 feet long. Had some rough edges on it, trimmed it up with a soldering iron so it didn't fray so much. Because it is, I believe it's polyester, high-grade polyester, very thin fiber, thinner than a human hair. And then I used a soldering iron there, put some holes on either end for the lock mechanism. What this does is it fuses two layers together. So this is like plastic, it melts together so that the two layers would combine. Then I was able to fit the lock onto it, and I just use an A-bus lock. So that's the only heavy part of it, is just a standard heavy-duty lock. So how is this as a bike lock? The reason why I thought of this is that people are going heavier and heavier duty, and the thieves are getting bigger and bigger cutters and things, and I didn't try this, but I doubt that any bolt cutter would cut this because the fibers are so thin that most of them will escape being cut. And I've seen some of these other ones, they sell for $80 to $100. I made this for about $5 for this strip, and it's just made to be different so that most thieves will not have the equipment to cut through this. And I won't tell you the secret of how easy it is to get through, but with the standard metal cutting tools, which most thieves will have on them, including knives and scissors and things like that, it will not cut. So here you can delay a thief an extended amount of time because they don't have the equipment to cut through this. And you could use it in addition to a metal cutting system. So thank you for listening. Please subscribe.